Welcome to OpenOffice, your one-stop destination for all your Microsoft needs. Need the latest Microsoft Office for your productivity boost? Look no further. OpenOffice provides genuine keys, subscriptions, and the latest versions, including 2016, 2019, and 2021. Ensure you stay ahead with the cutting-edge tools. Upgrade your system to the cutting-edge Windows 11 Pro with our authentic keys and subscriptions. Unleash the full potential of your device with the latest features and security. At OpenOffice, we believe in providing seamless experiences. Our keys and subscriptions, spanning versions 2016, 2019, and 2021, along with personal and family subscriptions, are your gateway to a world of efficiency and innovation. Visit us today at openoffice.store, your key to a more productive and secure digital experience. Whether it's a key or a subscription, we've got you covered.